urban deer hunting here with Mr. Dwayne Blishy in New Milford, and a couple does came in, and one doe gave me a perfect shot, and at about 22 yards, and the arrow hit perfect, and I saw her go down. She didn't go very far, so Dwayne's just over here in the woods, maybe 100 yards, but it'll be a short tracking job. I'm only parked a couple 100 yards away. These deer came in today and to this great big oak, dropping white oak acorns.
Got that one last week and got a shot. I thought that's the one I was after. That monster doe on the property. I think that's the monster. It's a big doe.
It is. I could see her hip bones. She's got a long, long face. Well, Dwayne grabbed my arrow for me. Good blood on it. I think the video shows that the hit was really good, and instantly blood came out of her. She didn't go but 100 yards, so we'll walk up and find her here, or recover her, I should say. She's already been found. That's where the arrow impacted her, right there. We'll sit up in that tree in the climber. Dwayne's taking the climber back to the truck, but she was right here, and she ran this way, up the hill. There she is. Nice big doe. Nice big doe. The hit was perfect. It's always nice when you hit them really good like that. She didn't go far. Nice, good lethal hit. Still holding on to an acorn. Perfect hit. Heart shot. Well, my good friend Dwayne Blishy brought me down to his secret honey hole here this morning. We left our campsite at like 4 o'clock in the morning and got down here, set up a stand, and I was on a big old ancient white oak, and this doe came in. I put a good shot on her, heart shot, watched her drop. She only went about 100 yards, so nice doe.